I am Dennis. I write for the Diarist. I enjoyed the show. You're also talented and it's good. What you did was really terrific. I'd just like to ask anyone, only one can answer. Like the original book featured, Westerners, children. They were sheltered. They had a good life. That's in the book. But here, in the local setting, we have a different culture. Like, would you think, as a Filipino, God-fearing, that any of you who get trapped in an island would turn into savages, like those Americans in the book or British, because we have a different culture, and something happened in Indonesia that was similar to the book. They were trapped, and they did not turn into savages. Actually, third world, pero they behaved civilly, and they cooperated and survived. So, what do you think? Would a Filipino children turn into savages after being trapped in an island for 3 months?
Okay. Hello po, ako ulit. I have a lot of hope in the Filipino people that if we were trapped in an island, I don't think we would turn into savages. Actually, while doing the research for Lord of the Flies, I found out that there was an exactly the same incident that happened in the 1960s, and they were all teens, so mga ka-age namin, and they did not turn into savages. They created a meaningful collaborative society on their own. So, and yun nga po yung sinabi niyo yung sa Indonesia, that also gave me hope na I don't think people will turn into savages, especially with our culture na ano tayo very kapwa, bayanihan, na meron tayong philosophy na we're all in this together, di ba? No one is left behind. So, ayun, I don't think po na Filipinos would turn into this. Pero, seeing what's happening in our country, it's very likely, but I hope not.
Thank you.